Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am super excited to bring to you guys Today I am very excited to bring to you guys an unboxing of the second generation FireTV Stick 4K Max, which is a mouthful by Amazon, and it's got a few upgrades on it. And drop a comment below, let me know if you guys want me to compare this with the first generation, or whether you would like me to review it, or just an unboxing is fine. Alright, let's look at this box. Pretty good, I like it. Not too much detail, but however, as you can hear it, it's quite a bit unsecured in there. So it comes with this plastic bit that you just take off from here, and that's it. Opens through here, and this is everything. So there's nothing in there, and this is everything in here. So you have the remote, okay, so that's the remote. You've got the charger as well to turn it on. Got a couple of batteries to go into the remote, okay. Nothing else in here, which is fine. You've got the 4K extender thing, so you can, like, if your telly doesn't allow for it, where you can like plug, because this is quite long, your TV might not have the maneuverability, whereas this can, like, if it's got not got enough space, so you can plug this, then you can plug this in there. You got a little book on how to use it. Alright, and you have a power cable, and that's basically it. Let us look at the remote. So the remote is a tiny bit different, I think it's a bit bigger, but let me know if you guys want me to do a side-by-side comparison of the remotes. It does feel a bit bigger, but not so much. It still opens the same way, same design, takes the same configuration on how to put the batteries in. Yep, okay, same sort of power brick. There's nothing different in here either. It's the same power brick. Yeah, absolutely same. Nothing to see here. Let's open it up. Yep, same power brick, same everything. That's good to see, not too much wasted. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.